Alright, as promised, longer video on this Vermeer PD10. Pound it all in the ground here. Getting big old tracks on that thing, and the steel they're using on it. That's got to be an inch thick. Look at that. Great big old hydraulic reservoir back there. Big old super comfortable operator chair. Look at that. Soft pad. Look at them controls. That looks like something they was operating on that movie where they went up there to that asteroid, you know, where well, what was that movie called? Steven Tyler's daughter was in that movie. What was that thing called? Yeah, somebody leave it in the comment box. Hey, somebody knows what it is. Ooh, look at them big old hydraulic hoses. Flame resistant. Yeah. Boy, that Vermeer, boy, they build some stuff tough now. I ain't kidding you.